Hi everyone, it's Fadi and Alina here. Well, first of all, we would like to thank every one of you who pre-ordered the audio computer and the ones who are gonna pre-order very, very soon. Honestly, your support means a lot to us, and we really, really appreciate you guys.
Yeah, we actually get emotional every time we look at like the order list and seeing people ordering and like having, the faith in us to deliver the product, even if we're like so small team that we're really pushing our limits on what can be achieved with very small amount of funding. So we really appreciate it. You're really enabling us to actually keep going and have a bigger chance of bringing this to life. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
After the launch, we went silent, and you might have been asking, like, what's going on? Where are these guys? Why are they silent? Actually, there are lots of things happening in the background. It's me to blame because I'm really, really poor at documenting things. But I promise I'll improve and I'll do it better. So from now on, basically, we decided to share our updates here with you. And this will be basically the structure, very casual, very us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We want this to be like a conversation, honestly, between like me, Alina, everybody who's watching, everybody who wants to join the community and like really help us change something in the tech industry. Because we're seeing a lot of issues. Obviously, we cannot solve all of them at once, but we have to start somewhere. The audio computer in our grasp is the first thing that we could do to bring that vision or like try to chase that vision.
Yeah. But we'll talk about this a lot more in the upcoming videos. But now we just want to give you a quick update on where we are now. We are in London. We just moved from Manchester.
For a couple of months temporarily.
Yeah.
We just like found maybe people are like following us a little bit on LinkedIn would see like a snippet of that. It's like we started to have a lot of friction with people from London and a lot of interest in angel investors and operators and other founders in similar industries like in consumer electronics or consumer goods, and we're like, we really need that friction. We didn't have it in Manchester, so we decided just to say, okay, let's go down, meet these cool people for a couple of months, bring that friction, expertise, whatever it is, back to Manchester, because Manchester has all the ingredients when it comes to hiring and having like amazing talent,
yeah.
and like actually manufacturing and advanced manufacturing and making impact on sustainability is like literally embedded in the culture of Manchester. Also music and creativeness, which is something that we're really passionate about.
Honestly, I already miss Manchester. Like, it's been 2 weeks that
Yeah.
we've been away, but honestly, like, that city is just, it's just in my heart,
Yeah.
always, and it will be always there.
Yeah, so it's definitely temporary. We're here on a mission just to like get connected with the brightest people, brightest minds in the UK, and they all come to London very frequently, especially in that season from September till the end of the year till Christmas. So yeah, we're maximizing that period as much as we can, having really meaningful connections, and then we're back to Manchester so that we can build our team and ramp up the production, hopefully, so that we can deliver the product for you as soon as possible.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Once we moved to London, we literally got sick. It was just crazy period of time because
it was tough.
it's been like, I think, just 2 days that we are okay
Feeling
now,
better.
feeling better. But
Yeah.
maybe you may notice from our voices,
voice a little
yeah,
bit, yeah.
we both are coughing. I think everybody is going through this flu or cold. I don't know. Maybe it's even COVID. Who knows, right? What else to update on?
Once we got the launch video out, which we worked on it for almost a month, it was like really tough because we've never done this before. Obviously, I'm an engineer, Alina is an operations person, so
It's been really, really hectic.
Yeah.
I mean, I admire all those producers and everybody who is like doing vlogging and stuff because it's so tough. And I've never done this before. Well, I want to do, but at the same time, it's so hard, but I have to show the progress of like of the processes, what we're going through.
Like all of that is just a starter of a conversation,
Exactly.
we're sharing because we want to interact with everybody who's seeing this, and just like try to have like a bigger discussion about how our life should look like in the presence or in the dominance of tech. Like how can
Exactly.
we shape that in a better way? Like we grew up with tech. We grew up and saw the evolution of tech and how it took over our lives, and in a lot of ways overwhelm it, and how we can like decouple from that and make tech actually work for us in the background. And from a hardware perspective, we didn't see any company, and I mean any company, even newer ones, actually what they're doing is just like another gadget, something else, addition, or replacing existing lineups. And we thought that this cannot be it. We need a form factor, or at least a couple of form factors maximum in our lives to consolidate all of our tech into it. And then we'll work on a software that works really for us in the background. So this is something that we're chasing and we're thinking about deeply. How can we have just one piece of hardware that's kind of your window to everything else happening in the background, and sort everything else in your life that actually taking your time away from experience something with your dear people that you really love and you want to be around, or being in nature, or creating something, or building something in the real world, because we believe that the real world is the best world. And I know this as well contradicts with a lot of visions around the future of tech, was like about the virtual reality and the augmented reality. And we believe the best reality is the actual reality that we're living in. It's just we need to figure out a way to keep the benefits of tech without overwhelming our lives with tech. That's basically what we want to do, or at least attempt to do with you.
Stay tuned for the videos, for the upcoming videos that we will do. We'll discuss with you, we'll have conversations. I find it really, really important as well to show what we're going through in order to achieve the changes that we want to achieve. Yeah?
Let's see how this goes. Let us know about any feedback about like the format, the product, anything that you would like to give as an idea or as a piece of feedback. We're happy to listen to it. Let's build something together that's like bigger than ourselves. We're not doing this just for us. We're doing this because really we see something in the world that needs to change and nobody else is working on it, so that we can join them in doing it. So we have to do it ourselves, because we really cannot live in a world where tech is that damaging to a lot of people's lives. So yeah, let's see how far it goes. See you later.